Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. First off, I want to say I am so sorry I've been disappeared. Let me sit down and talk to you all. So, basically, I've been traveling and I've been going through so much recently that I can't really talk about it. But I want to say I miss you guys, and I want to come back and come back for you guys strong and be able to do this again, where I can update you all about my whereabouts and what I'm up to. So right now I am actually in a hotel, and I was like, it's late. It's actually like it's currently 11 a.m. here. I'm in London. So I was like, let me give you guys a quick update, and yeah, I was just chilling here having some coffee. I know it's late, but yes, let's get into doing whatever I was doing, and I'll just be with you guys. Let's go. Today I went and got my nails done. So this is my nails, as you can see. They're super long, like crazy long. So, and this trip and the last few weeks, I've lost so much weight, guys. I don't know if you can see, but this is my status. It's like, and no, I haven't exercised that much. Sometimes I do cardio, but it's just, yeah, your girl's just been, I was a bit stressed out, I'm not gonna lie. So a lot of things have been happening, caused stress, which led me to not eating properly and losing so much weight. Alright, anyways, I'm about to get my hair fixed, so you guys want to see? I'm sure you do. Let's go. Okay, this is a close-up of the nails. Like some of you guys really want to see it, but it's like, it's baby pink. I don't know, but it's very long. That's how long it is, guys, and I love it. Alright, we're gonna fix my nail, fix my hair. I want to try a hairstyle here, so let's go. Let's make your hair cute. You ready? Oh, I need my hairbands I've got, guys. I literally went hairband shopping. Like so many. Oh my god, like a whole bunch. Alright, so I actually went to Primark. So that's why when I was buying a couple of things, I saw all these hairbands. I was like, your girl needs these. I always lose them, so it was like £1. Let's do this. Wait, so the first thing we're gonna do is partition the hair from the back. So you gotta do this. Alright, and then we're gonna grab this right here, and then right here. It is so nice when you have like two little strands here in the front, so make sure you got it. And then grab your hairband like that, and you're gonna close it right here. Alright, okay, you know what, I'm gonna tell you what I want to do, and hopefully you guys can try and manifest it for me. I want to color my hair tomorrow, and I hope we can get an appointment, because I found a really talented hairstylist. So basically, when I was at the salon, there was a girl there with beautiful hair, and I asked her who her stylist was, and she gave me the details, and I'm hoping tomorrow in the morning we can get an appointment to change my hair color. And if it happens, it's amazing. If it doesn't, then we'll still do it. Maybe the hair is done. I'm not sure, but wait a minute, hold on. Want me up or down?
Good.
Okay, let's try up, but I need more power with the hairbands. Oh. Wait, I need two hairbands. Like this. Doesn't look. Okay guys, this is another option if I close my hair up like that. What about, hold on. I'm gonna try and close my hair up, guys, instead. I've already done one side, so let's try on the other side too. But I look like Minnie Mouse, Mom. Here we go. Let's try this. How do some people do this? Here we go. I can't do it with the nails. Let's go. I look like a poodle. It's really hot, Mommy. Can we put the AC on, please, Mommy? Yeah. Mommy?
Nice.
Mom likes it. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments. This could be the new Lana, except I need to like close it properly. Alright, but this is a new hairstyle we're just trying on for today. Just to experiment, I'm doing a Lana transformation week. So this is the week of transformations because I'm tired of being stuck in this mess. Yeah, this whole last month and last few months, we are going to come with the new Lana. We're going to refresh, reconstruct ourselves because I need to really think. You know, it's nice when you like, it helps you feel good, guys, honestly. Like sometimes like when you change up your style, it's like brings a buzz. So I'm gonna do my lipstick now. Let's do a nice cute lipstick. I think pink will do it, right? Sorry, ignore the fact that my hair is bent. It's not holding it properly on one side. Okay, I'll show you some. Ooh, looks good. Wait, lipstick routine. New makeups I bought, by the way. I bought a lot of stuff from Dior. It's really good stuff, guys. Let me show you. I bought some stuff from Dior, guys, for makeup. And let me show you. I really want to try this, but I don't know how it's going to look. So let's try it together. So I bought a blue eyeliner and I'm so curious to see how it will look. So I'm going to try this before I sleep. So at least just experiment with it. We are going to apply some blue eyeliner, which means I'm going to have to remove this makeup here. So let's do it. Okay, before I try the blue, this is a pink liner I bought from somewhere else. I'm just here to experiment, guys. So here we go. We're gonna see how this looks on my eye. Alright. Wait, I'm gonna put this back. Alright, we're gonna see how this looks on my eye. Here we go. Ready? So I think I could put this here. Like this. I don't know what I'm doing because I'm just looking at the screen. So maybe it's supposed to go from here like that. Okay, so we have like a pink liner going on, which is cute because it gives it like a Barbie effect, and my nails are pink. So there we go. This is one side. Alright, you guys are gonna vote for your favorite makeup look today, so let's do the next one. Where's the other stuff? So look at this. And then if you do that, voila. It's really cool for travel. It's like a little bit cute. And I also got this palette from Dior. Look, let me open this. Okay. It's so cute, guys. Here we go. There we go. There. And I'm gonna remove this side. Let me be right back. I'm going to remove some of the makeup. I was gonna use some oil-based makeup remover, but I thought it's gonna get too messy. So we're gonna go back inside. I'm gonna use a cream-based remover just to remove the liner from this side. You guys already see what it looks like here. So we're gonna try the blue one on this side, guys. So let's go. We're gonna go inside. So here we go. Alright. Here we go. Let's remove this side. I'm gonna use this. Here we go. We're gonna try and remove a little bit of this makeup here without making a big mess. Here we go. I'm gonna remove the liner. Oh my god, it's getting messy. So let's just put some of this makeup remover there, and I'm gonna take one of this. Oh, this looks like it's gonna stick. I'm gonna remove it. Okay. Oh, it's going everywhere. There. You got it? Yeah, so we kind of got rid of the eyeliner. And now we're going to try some blue liner. Let's go. Okay. You ready for this? I don't know if you can see it ever. Here we go. Oh, wait, you guys cannot see anything. Hold on, maybe here you can. Wait, let's go to the bathroom. You guys cannot see anything here. Can you see anything here? Interesting. I'm digging it. Wow, the lady was right. So the lady at Dior suggested I should try some blue, and I'm actually liking it. Interesting. Okay, guys. So this is a definite yes, and the only thing missing is the blue mascara, which I didn't buy, and I will be going back for that because this looks so cute. So I like it. Alright, guys. That's it for today. You have two different eye looks, left and right, but that's it for today. I'm going to go to sleep, so we are going to call it quits for tonight. There's a bunch of stuff I want to post, which maybe I'll do tomorrow, so I'll let you guys know. But this is like a update from today, so this is the present time, and I just want to say I missed you guys. I've been going through a lot of stuff. I don't want to talk about it right now. Like, you'll see, like, we've been busy with some work and stuff that was a little bit unexpected, and I can't talk about it. So I need you guys to follow my brother. He will be like, it'll come through. What you'll see is like, so yeah, we've been dealing with a lot of stuff that we can't really talk about, but you will see some of it soon. So follow my brother. He will be letting you guys know in the next week or so what happened, because I can't talk right now. And yeah, it's just been very hectic in my life recently, but your girl's back and I really miss you guys. And also I do want to say that look, right now in the world situation, what's happening, I'm very sad about it. And I always try, like on Insta, I've been sharing a lot of links to charities. Yeah, I hope we can come to world peace, guys, because no innocent person or child deserves to be hurt in this world, and it's truly heartbreaking. So I love you guys, and let's do our best to try and help in any way possible. So, you know, try and share all the charities, your local charities, any route that's available as a means to helping, because at the end of the day it's not just about talk, we also need to do actions, so remember that. So yeah, sharing any places, modes of help that's available to people around you is great. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I've been sharing it recently. If you missed it, just keep following. I'll post some more, and let's try and gather up as much help for all the people in the world, and also what's happening recently, so we can just try and help out in any way possible. Okay, love you guys.